Hi guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make ringtones for your iPhone and install through your iTunes. Guys, it's very simple guys. Without wasting any time guys, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to the audiotrimmer.com. You can find this link in the description as well. And what you're gonna do next is just browse the music you want to make the ringtone. So just I'm gonna just choose the mp3 file, which is happy birthday song. So I'm just gonna choose this file. Just select this file and just then you need to select the part to trim it. So it's uploading at the moment, so I'm just gonna make it to 30 seconds, just like this. Okay, so it's 30 seconds now. Okay, that's it. So I'm just gonna wait for it to be uploaded on this website. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Okay, after it has been downloaded, then it will just start processing. So after it has been processed, you just need to choose the output format. So just choose the MP4 iPhone. You can choose any music, or you can choose any ringtone and make it to the M4R iPhone ringtone. It is very simple. So after that, you just need to tap crop here. Just tap on it. Then it will automatically convert the file to M4R iPhone ringtone guys. It's very simple. So the next step is just tap on download and just save the file. Okay, so just save it. Okay guys, after it has been downloaded, so just go to the file directory guys. Make sure you have downloaded the file. Okay, here is the happy birthday song M4R file. Okay, so the next step is to open the iTunes and okay, so just tap on the bar and here is the tones guys. And if you cannot find the tones on your this bar, so just tap on edit menu and just mark the tones guys, then it will appear on your iTunes guys. So just go to the tones guys. Okay, I'm just gonna go through this bar. Okay, just tap on tones and add file to library. So I'm just gonna choose the happy birthday song. Here it is, M4R file. So just tap open. Okay, so it is already added on the library of iTunes. And then go to the iPhone, then go to your iPhone and just tap on tones and mark sync tones guys. This is very important guys. And then tap apply and just sync and replace, and that's it guys. Just wait for it to be synced. Okay guys, it is syncing at the moment, so just wait for a moment. Okay, just wait. Okay guys, it is already synced. So the next thing what you're gonna do is to go to your iPhone. Okay, just wait. Okay, so go to your iPhone and tap on your setting and tap on songs and haptics and just taps on ringtone, and here you go guys. Here it is, the happy birthday song ringtone guys. Is that simple guys. Hope you like this video guys. For more videos please subscribe to our channel UnlockBoot. Thank you very much and see you next time.